Greg with InstaTrim products. Today we've got a kitchen project and we're going to remove the old caulking where the backsplash meets the countertop and replace it with dark brown InstaTrim. Something to consider when you're removing your old caulking: if you have old silicone, which is going to be a white or a clear rubbery kind of a product, that's got to get removed 100%. So not only do you cut it off with a razor blade, you also need to use acetone and some type of a scrunchie to aggressively scrub that corner. If any silicone oils remain, our product will not stick to it. Once you've cleaned off your old caulking, and assuming this is not silicone, you just need to clean this with a isopropyl or acetone type cleaner. I recommend a scrunchie just to scrub that area and then thoroughly dry that off and or let it dry. Okay, now we're going to install our InstaTrim. We're using our dark brown color, and you simply place it in the corner and with your finger press it into place. Very, very simple. If you start going crooked, you can peel it back and reapply. Try not to stretch it, because otherwise the ends will shrink up. That's why we push it with our finger. Once you've got it pushed in, run your finger along it to make sure it's nice and tight, and you're finished. There's no cure time, no drying, no orders, and ready to use right away.